Hi guys, so I wanted to go over compound words with you before I let you guys do some independent work. So what I wanted you guys to learn is how compound words, there are two words put together. But if you were to separate these two words, there are two separate words. So let's say we have news, right? The news is something we can watch on television, and it tells us important things that are happening in the world, in our state, in our country. And then we also have the word paper, which is a separate word because paper is something you write on. So think about it. News is things we learn about our important information we learn about our country, things that are happening in our world, and then paper. So think about it. If we put those two words together, it becomes news paper. And newspaper, something we can buy in certain stores or have delivered to our house, and it is just news that comes on a paper, right? And it's called a newspaper. That's how we get our news about what's happening in the world or in our state or country, okay? All right, another word we have is, let's do bed. A bed is something that we sleep on. And then we have the word time. Time answers when. So when you put them together, we have bed, time. Again, two separate words put together and it becomes one meaning of a word. Bedtime is when you have to go to sleep. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do pan, cake. Okay, pan on its own means it is the thing that we cook in, right? A pan. We bake in, cook in, bake in a pan. Okay, and then we have cake. When you put it together, pancake, we all know what pancakes are. It is something we often eat for breakfast. In my house, we can eat it any time of the day. All right, let's do one more before I have you guys do some independent work. We have the word birth, right? It is um, uh, it is your when somebody being born, right? It is their birth. And then we have day. Birthday refers to a day that you were born, right? Together it becomes day is when, and birthday put together becomes when you were born, and it is a celebration, right? People celebrate their birthdays. Most people celebrate their birthdays. We just had Ezra's birthday recently, and Miss Manana's birthday was recently. Okay, so moving on, I want you guys to now go to your worksheet that looks like this. It is page 473, and it is in your Peter's Chair packet. Okay, so turn to page 473, and I want you guys to work on it. So the first one tells you, pick a word from the box to finish each compound word. Write it on the line. Draw a line to the picture it matches. So first you're going to figure out what the words are. It gives you a little word box on the top, and then you're going to match it to the picture. Then on the bottom it says find the compound word, mark it to show your answer. So there's a bunch of words on the bottom and you have to mark the compound word. The next part of what I want you guys to do is I want you guys, let's turn to it together, page 474, and I want you guys to read the top words with me. These are our high frequency words, and we're going to read them together. Picture, picture. Next one is remember, remember. Number 3 is room, room. Number 4 is stood, stood. Number 5 is thought, thought. And number 6 is wood. would. These words will reappear on our language arts test. So I want you guys to make sure you are able to read them and use them. So they're giving you 5 sentences and you have to fill in the blank. What is the appropriate word that fits that sentence? So I want you guys to do these 2 pages independently. Good luck.